Hi, this is the Redmagic 8 Pro and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So now we got here the current animation, and if you wanna just change it, we should open first the settings, then scroll down to password and security, tap to fingerprint, enter your protect methods and tap to fingerprint animation style, and just switch your current animation to one from the available ones. After that, just go back, let's load the device, let's check, and we could see that we just successfully changed our fingerprint sensor animation. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.